Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to talk about modals or modal verbs. Are there modal verbs in the Egyptian dialect? Okay, how to say he must do something or we should do something? We use lazim, okay? Lazim, it's like an active participle and it's not conjugated with the subject. It's fixed, it doesn't change. So it looks like the modal verbs in English. So for example, هو لازم يروح الشغل. هو لازم يروح الشغل. He لازم, it means like it's a must. It's not conjugated with he. So he must يروح الشغل. So يروح without the باء is conjugated without the باء. هو لازم يروح الشغل. He must go to work. So here the verb after لازم should be conjugated in the present tense without adding the باء in the beginning. So هو لازم يروح الشغل. He must go to work. Another example, احنا لازم نشتري الكتاب. الكتاب, the book, نشتري, we buy. لازم, it's a must. So here لازم, it didn't change. It's the same with احنا, هو. Okay, it doesn't change with the subject. So احنا لازم نشتري الكتاب, we must buy the book. And of course نشتري doesn't have the باء. The second one is ممكن. ممكن, it's an adjective or active participle. ممكن, it means possible. It's an adjective, possible. So ممكن أسأل سؤال. Here it works like a modal verb. Again, it's followed by a verb conjugated in the present tense without باء. So ممكن أسأل, I ask. سؤال. سؤال means a question. So can I ask a question? ممكن أسأل سؤال. ممكن أسأل سؤال. And ممكن doesn't change with the subject. It's fixed. ممكن أروح هناك. So ممكن أروح هناك. Can I go there? ممكن أروح, I go. Again, there is no باء. ممكن أروح هناك. هناك means there. And here is يمكن. يمكن أحضر الحفلة. يمكن, it's a verb, it's like ممكن. It's the verb to be possible. So يمكن أحضر الحفلة, it means maybe, or it's possible, or I can attend, okay, go to the party. Here we use the attend, the verb أحضر, يحضر, it's to attend. So يمكن أحضر الحفلة. الحفلة, the party. يمكن أحضر الحفلة. Maybe I will attend the party, or I can attend the party. Another way to use ممكن is to ask someone politely to do something. For example, ممكن تقفل الباب. تقفل, it means you close. This is conjugated with you, masculine. أنت أو أنت. ممكن تقفل الباب. Can you close the door? So ممكن, is it possible? تقفل, you close. الباب, the door. ممكن تقفل الباب. And another example, ممكن تكتبي الدرس. تكتبي is conjugated with انتي. This is you, the feminine form. ممكن تكتبي الدرس. ممكن تكتبي الدرس. Can you تكتبي, write الدرس, the lesson. Okay, so these are they are not modal verbs, but they are similar to them. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel and you can visit our website for more lessons. Thank you.